Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Peachy Fresh. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I am back with another video. Today I am doing a wash day, very much needed. I had some braids in, some knotless braids in for about 3 weeks, and I decided to go ahead and take them out. My hair was very itchy, very dry, and just overall looking super crusty, as y'all can tell. I am going to first start off with a little bit of a pre-poo. So I'm going to take this Pantene Pro V Curl Perfection. There we go. And I'm just going to... So first of all, I'm just going to take this conditioner and just lather it all on my hair. And I'm going to have a lot of shedding, like lots and lots of shedding. So I'm going to have a lot of shedding because obviously my hair has been in this protective style for quite a long time. So there's going to be some hair that is going to shed, and that's going to be okay. All right, let's go ahead and get on into shampooing. I'm going to first just drench my hair with some water, try to detangle it a little bit, go in with the shampoo, and then go ahead and get started. Oh, my hair is so itchy. All right, so I went ahead and did a pre-poo using the Pantene Pro V Curl Perfection conditioner, and you guys saw what I did. Just lather that on my hair, try to detangle as much as possible, get out all the shedded hair, and then now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. So I decided to actually go ahead and use a clarifying shampoo since my hair has been in braids for 3 weeks. I think it's best to get all of that dirt and buildup that's on my scalp to get it, you know, completely stripped from my hair, then go back in and do maybe the moisturizing shampoo, and then also excuse me, I have hair in my mouth, and do a deep conditioner. So I'll follow up with that. So I am going to go ahead and use the Wash Day Delight Carol's Daughter shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo. It pretty much gets all of the dirt buildup out of your hair, make sure that it's nice and squeaky clean, leaves you with a nice sweet smelling rose smell to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get started.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone?
Our handy dandy scalp massager that we bought from Amazon. And this is just going to help with all of that dirt that we got going on.
Now I know that it was you who made me feel
and shampoo with the Curl Perfection shampoo, and then I'll come back and we'll do the deep conditioner together. So see y'all soon. I need therapy after this, because the way that all that shedding I had, the way that all my hair was detangled, and the stress that just happened from combing and all the, just everything. Oh my goodness. So anyways, besides the point, I am going to go ahead and use our Tgin. Come on and focus. Yes, we're going to do our Tgin Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Love that for us. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair, then put a shower cap on, leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, and that's gonna be it for this video.
Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1.
So I ain't got no shower cap, so y'all know what it is. If you are a black girl, you know that this is basically synonymous for a shower cap. Oops. It is what it is. So my battery is about to die, so thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more uploads. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. It will mean the world to me, so don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Bye. Toodles.